Hey guys, here's Gatsby Section 2, Lesson 4, featuring my dog, who insists on being here right now. So, Gatsby Section 2, Lesson 4. Today is Wednesday, and it is a section assessment day. So, first, we're going to go through slides 61 through 68. You're doing the same thing you did last time for an assessment. You're writing a paragraph. And it is focusing on characters' perception. Good question when you talk about, though, how does Nick's perception of Jordan change the more time he spends with her? So he's starting to kind of see that Jordan might not be as good as she lets on. He remembers she cheated in a golf tournament. He also remembers that she has lied about running someone's car that she borrowed. So we need to pay attention to the fact that Nick's perception of Jordan has changed quite a bit. Also important to note that when he is at a party with her, his perception is a little different and he's happy to be around her. Now, for your assessment today, you're going to choose one character and explain how he or she perceives a person, event, or concept, and if that perception is accurate. You're going to use two pieces of evidence to do this just like last time. Now, your claim. If you want to use this sentence frame, I highly suggest that you use it. Your character, accurately or inaccurately, you choose one, perceives a character as blank. Now, to help you with this, you are going to use your character perception chart. And you already have evidence on this chart, so it should be rather easy for you to pick a character and someone they perceive and find two pieces of evidence for that character. So if you wanted to do Myrtle and her husband, Myrtle accurately, maybe, or inaccurately perceives her husband as beneath her. You already have one piece of evidence. You would just go back and find a second piece of evidence to support that. And that is how you would get the information for your paragraph. And that I would highly suggest using the sentence frame once again. Now, a reminder about citing evidence. We need to make sure we lead our quotes in. Nick mentions, Myrtle mentions, the narrator states, the book says. You cannot begin a sentence with quotation marks. Then you have your direct quote, then a citation, Fitzgerald, and a page number. It should look just like this. And we need to remember to sandwich our evidence. So again, there's a sentence before the piece of evidence that explains what is happening in the novel. Your evidence, and again, your evidence needs to be no more than one sentence. I don't want a whole paragraph of evidence. And then you need to explain how your evidence supports your claim in 1 to 2 sentences. To do this, you are going to go to Google Classroom, and there's going to be an assignment under Gatsby titled Choose a Character and Explain How He or She Perceives. Now, this one's a little different. We learned from last time. There is an attached document, so you will type on the document, open it from here, type on the document, turn it in when you're done. A rubric for you. We did the points right this time also. 30 points. 5 points if your claim is stated clearly. 10 points, that's 5 points for each piece of evidence cited correctly. 10 points for each piece of evidence where you give an explanation. And then 5 points if you meet the sentence minimum. Now, this is an assessment grade, and we should be getting better at these paragraphs. So I'm expecting good grammar, proper grammar, punctuation, capitalization, the whole 9 yards. And remember, a book, when you write the title of a book, if you choose to do that in your paragraph, you will italicize it when you type it.